Hello everybody and welcome to today's assembly. But before we start this week's assembly, let's practice the sign of the week, which is help others. This is going to be demonstrated on the next slide by Laura. Help others. So today's assembly is all about COVID-19 and how we can continue to stay safe and how you can help others by playing your part to stop COVID-19. So what will you learn about in today's assembly? Well, you're going to learn about what is coronavirus, who is at risk, what are the symptoms, how does the virus spread, and how you can help to stop the spread of COVID-19. So what is coronavirus? Coronavirus is a virus which can cause disease and infection, and this can result in severe respiratory problems and hospitalisation. Respiratory meaning breathing. So who is at risk? Well, coronavirus can affect people of all ages, but evidence to date reveals that there are two main groups of people that are at a higher risk of getting severe COVID-19 symptoms and are in sort of danger of becoming very unwell and very poorly, and in the worst case can actually die. These two groups of people being the older people, those over the age of 60, and people who have underlying health issues already. So what are the symptoms? Well, three main symptoms are having a high temperature, a new or continuous cough, or a loss or change to your sense of taste or smell. So how does the virus spread? Well, it spreads mainly through droplets that are generated when an infected person coughs or sneezes, or through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose. So these droplets, when someone sneezes, can float in the atmosphere and obviously can be breathed in. The droplets can also travel in the air and can also land on surfaces and objects. And if surfaces are then touched, the virus then can then be transmitted. So how can you help to stop the spread of COVID-19? Well, the main things you can do is you can wash your hands frequently and use soap with water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. You can wear a face covering in closed spaces like shops and on public transports, or when you're in school in places like corridors or where there's lots of people in close proximity. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth, and open windows when inside. So other things that you can also do is you cover your nose and mouth with a bent elbow or a tissue when coughing and sneezing. Maintain a safe physical distance from others, 2 meters if possible. Stay at home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough and difficulty breathing, organise a COVID test to confirm if you have the virus. And if you meet friends, then try and meet in an outside space, keep a safe distance and try not to meet in large groups of over 6 people if possible. So now let's think about how today's assembly links to the Ellesmere personal qualities. Well, this assembly links to the Ellesmere personal qualities by we have to take responsibility and do the thing. We have to work together to beat this nasty virus. We have to respect each other's safety, and we have to be resilient during this difficult time. Thank you for listening to today's assembly. Please stay safe, keep others safe, and have a good day. Thank you.